Assalamualaikum, my beloved students of class 3. How are you all? Hope you all are fine by the grace of Almighty Allah. Alhamdulillah, I am also fine by the kindness of Allah the Exalted. Welcome to NIVS Home School. This is Wahid Noor, Assistant Teacher of Islamic Studies, National Ideal English Version School District. Today I am going to conduct the class of Islamic Studies for class 3. And today our topic is BQ, broad question 3 and 4 from chapter 2. Student, this is lecture number 12 and this week there is no HW. My dear students, this week I will discuss about the assignment and also broad question 3 and 4. At first, let's discuss about the assignment. Already, I hope you got the assignment topic, assignment 1 of religion. First week there is also religion. So whatever I given you, provide you the question answer, you will get that through the YouTube classes. Already I have taken in the YouTube classes all of the questions, short question and broad question. So if you watch the YouTube class, you will get that answer. So same as you will pick up the answer with the question. And there is the another instruction, that is you will write in the A4 size of paper, A4 size paper, and you will margin all sides and used to write the only front page, not the both pages. It will be better, but if you use the both pages, I mean both side, that is no problem. And also when you will write the assignment, very careful, assignment should be neat and clear, and the cover page you can collect through the Facebook page of National Ideal English Version School, or you can collect from the school office. And my beloved students, the religion assignment 1, your submission date is 22/4/21. I mean this is Thursday, or you can submit 24/4/21, that is Saturday. So this week Thursday or Saturday, I mean next Saturday, you can submit this assignment. So it was the discussion about the assignment. After that, if you don't understand, there is my phone number, you can contact with me. Now let's start the question answer. Broad question number 3, how many times have to perform salat in a night and a day? Write the names of waqts. Okay, answer, salat is the most important among all the ibadats of Allah. During a day and a night, a person has to perform salat 5 times. 5 waqts salat are Fajr, Johor, Asr, Maghrib and last Isha. 5 waqts salat are Faroz, I mean compulsory on all the Muslims, male or female, but not on maid. My beloved students, the question is asking to you how many times we are performing the salat in a day and night. So salat is the most important ibadat among all the rest of all ibadat, and in a day and night we are performing 5 times salat. As you know, Fajr, Johor, Asr, Maghrib and Isha. So some times we are performing the salat in daytime, some salats we are performing in night. So together 5 times salat. And those are male or female, Muslims, upon them salat is compulsory, foroz. But those are mad, I mean their mind is not okay, they are not intellectual, I mean they are mad totally. So upon them salat, I mean namaz is not foroz. Now question number 4, what is the moral benefits of salat? My beloved students, try to understand this question. What is the moral benefits of salat? I mean, if you perform the salat, what will you get? What is the result? Okay, answer, the moral benefits of the salat are immense. Immense means a lot of. The lesson of cleanliness, I mean what you are learning, what is the moral benefits? Here saying the lesson of cleanliness, strict discipline, punctuality and attentiveness can be learned from salat. So if you perform the salat properly, then these lessons you are learning, cleanliness, discipline, punctuality and attentiveness. It means the salat refrains us from committing sins. Through salat, our hearts will be filled up with the fear of Allah. This fear refrains us from the evil deeds. My beloved students, so if you perform the salat, you will be punctual, you will be neat and clean, you will be attentiveness in the work. So this will get you will get this the moral benefit as the moral benefits. After that, you can be free, you can be refrain from the committing of the sinful acts, I mean wrong deeds, bad deeds. Then your connection will be to the Almighty Allah. So that is the moral benefits of salat. That's all for today, my dear students. I already told you this week there is the assignment, that's why I am not providing you the HW. So you will do your assignment properly and submit the fixed date. Okay, to abide by your parents. See you next class inshallah. Till then, assalamu alaikum.